Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming admin access. That makes changes persist. Connect to the specific Wi-Fi you intend to limit, then open Settings and go to Network and Internet. Once done, click Wi-Fi and select the network name you're using right now. This is the first actionable step because Windows only shows the metered toggle for an active connection. Make sure the connection is stable while you change it, and keep in mind this affects background data for apps and updates. Now you enable the metered option. Find the metered connection toggle inside the network properties. Turn it on. This tells Windows to treat the network as limited, so automatic Windows Update downloads are deferred and many apps reduce background traffic. Once enabled, verify app-specific sync and update settings because some apps ignore the metered flag by default. Also note OneDrive and Microsoft Store can be set to limit downloads under their own settings, so adjust those if you want stricter control. Finish by verifying the change. Restart the PC or toggle Wi-Fi off and on, then revisit the network properties to confirm metered is still on. If updates or large downloads continue, check delivery optimization and Microsoft Store settings. Make sure they honor metered connections. If something breaks, temporarily disable metered to allow a critical update or app download, then re-enable it. One troubleshooting tip. Some VPNs or tethering methods can bypass the metered flag test without them if behavior is unexpected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.